beep. Sit down. Okay. Let's do it all by yourself. We're not going to tell you. Get your foot underneath.
Bring your foot up. You're too close, Colton. Back up just a little bit. There we go. Now turn. Bring one foot up. There you go. Bring your foot up. Good job. Good job. There's 5.
You need a break?
Beep. Oh, beep.
Don't miss the beep beeps.
Oh,
We're too tired for a minute.
We're too tired for beep beeps? Yeah.
But that's hard work, isn't it?
Okay, that was really hard. Do you want to do our standing next?
More beep beeps?
Let's do our standing because Miss Mark wants you to stand for at least 5 minutes. And then we'll probably be done. Okay. So
Yes, darling, I'm right here.
What car could we turn Kids Bop on?
We can find Kids Bop on Nana's car. It's on Sirius.
Oh, I should have grabbed it.
Okay.
I forgot. I meant to walk back down there and grab it.